Hey everyone, it's Tina Marie. Welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how I do my high bun. It's been raining for like 2 weeks straight here, and this is one of the hairstyles that I did the most. So I'm just taking some of my leave-in cream, putting that all over my hair to keep my hair moisturized, and then I'm just rubbing that through. And I'm going to take my white tooth comb and just make sure that I don't have any tangles or knots in my hair. So next I'm just going to be putting some edge control all around my hair, and I'm using the Eben New York edge control, and that's the one with the purple top. And then I'm just going to brush everything down, make sure it's all nice and smooth to get ready to put in my bun. And the hair tie that I'm going to be using is from Walmart. They're called Everyday Head Wraps. It's one of my favorite hair ties to use. They're 2 for 88 cents at the store. They may be more online because I don't know if they sell them in 2 online, but if so, I'll leave it in the description box. So I put the hair tie around my hair, then I cross it over, then I bring it back over my hair, and then I pull it to make it tight to where I want it to actually be. And then once I'm done pulling that, I cross it over in the back and bring it on over. And I'm forming a ball shaped for my bun. And at this point, I'm just going to smooth my bun out, just shape it to how I want it. And then I'm going to use bobby pins just to pin those spots in place. And I'm just going to put a little bit more edge control on my edges just so that I can give it the type of swoop that I like. All right, y'all, but that is basically it. Super cute, quick, and easy high bun that I love to do. I'm definitely going to be wearing this hairstyle a lot in spring because our spring is more like summer. So this is a really cute, easy high bun to do. Let me know what you guys think down below in the comments. Make sure you subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you all on the next video.